In this module, learn how to credit a sale when customers return items they have purchased from you or ask for a refund. Head to Sales under Sales and Purchases. Here, you can either click New Credit at the top or click on the tag icon by the sale you want to credit. On this new sale credit, all the original sale information is already entered because we clicked on the tag next to the sale before. Choose a reason for the sale credit and select the box under Returned if you want to adjust the stock level for the item. Specify the quantity too. Repeat this process for any other line items. Then click Save as a draft or Complete Credit. Once complete, a credit note is created through Xero.